If you want the easiest and delicious perfect donut recipe, this is the best, and you are at the right place. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome. So we do easy cooking recipes here, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. It is free subscription, or if you follow, it is free, so please do so. I have a cup of milk. This is the cup I used, okay? Yes, and I have a tablespoon of yeast. I'll go ahead and add a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it very well and then place it in a warm place for 10 minutes. You can use dry yeast or instant yeast, okay? So if it is instant yeast, you just add it to your dry ingredients and there is no need for this process, but I don't like that, okay, for a personal reason, okay, because of a personal reason. Now I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour here. You can use soft flour or pastry flour. I've added my grated nutmeg and I've added 1/3 cup of sugar. I'll go ahead, mix it very well, and then we proceed. If you are still with me, thank you so much for your time. Now after 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my dry ingredients to the ingredients that we placed in a warm place for 10 minutes, okay? Now mix it very well to bring the dough together or to form a dough. After that, we will add the next ingredient. Have you followed? If you haven't, can you do so? As you can see, it is always easy here and you will always love it here as well, okay? Thank you so much, and please do not forget to follow me on other social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. You will love it there as well. If you want short videos, please follow me on TikTok and you will be very happy there. Now I've added 2 tablespoons of butter, okay? You can use any of your choice, and that is plant-based, okay? The milk I used, you can use any milk of your choice and you are good to go. Now I will knead the dough very well so I get that soft dough. After that, I'll just place it in a warm place for 40 minutes, and I kneaded the dough for 15 minutes, okay? You have to get time for your dough so that you can get that perfect outcome. Now this is how it looks. You can see how beautiful and smooth it looks. So I thought it was something bad, but that was some of the nutmeg that we grated, okay? So I'm not going to remove it. Now cut the dough or divide them into the sizes that you want. If you want it small, it depends on you. If you want it big, that is your choice, okay? Now we are going to mold it into a round shape before we continue with our process. If you are still with me, I say thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted, and bless you for that, okay? So after we are done with everything, we are just going to create some hole in there to get that perfect donut shape, okay? Now this is what we've gotten, and we will do the same to the others. Then we proceed, okay? If you want to add vanilla to your dough, you can do as well, but I did not want to use a lot of ingredients, okay? Yeah, so now this is what we've gotten. We will just place it in a warm place for an hour, and then we can continue with whatever thing we want to do. So I place it on the parchment paper because sometimes when you want to drop it in the oil, okay, because it is soft, your hand can touch it and then it will be deformed, okay? That is why I place it there, so that it can be easy for me to remove, or I will not touch it, okay? Yeah, so I will drop it in there and then we can continue. You make sure the fire is not high and it is not very low as well. Okay, so if it is high, the inside will not cook well and it will get burnt. Okay, so this is how it looks. As you can see, very beautiful, and it looks very delicious already. So I'll go ahead and remove it from the oil. Let it stay on the paper towel. Someone was telling me in the comment section that I should always remember to tell my subscribers and followers that they should let whatever thing that I fry stay on the paper towel. So today I'm reminding you, okay? Or you can place it in your colander, okay? What you say? Now this is the outcome. Just look at that. Fluffy, soft, delicious. Just pair it with some granite or peanut and you are good to go. You can even pair it with peanut butter. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. I love you.